While so many smaller businesses, medium businesses continue to struggle, restrictions haven't been lifted off in all states. Just a few states have mask mandates lifted off. There is a lot of restaurants, for instance, they cannot host that many people. The governors are coming out with their own percentage, how many, how long. They keep moving the goalposts. While all this is happening, we have one of the biggest sales in Lamborghinis and Rolls Royces. Again, you cannot make this up if you try. This is what I've been talking about. These oligarchs are basically laughing at everyone. This is just another slap in the face, almost like Mike Tyson style knockout with these news. As like I said, the rich are getting richer by design, while the middle class is getting destroyed, not just pushed aside, destroyed. And it's all deliberately in order to have the gap between the Wall Street and the Main Street to the point of no return. And this is where we are, not just heading, this is where we are. And it's going to continue. Just wait until the market sells off. People that, have 401ks, cryptocurrency, 20-year-olds having hundreds of thousands of dollars in profits right now because Bitcoin, other cryptos are doing really well. Yes, I know it's been a recent sell-off, but this is just a yawn. I mean, Bitcoin is still, last time I looked, over $55,000. So a lot of people are making money on the screen. They are looking at puffy clouds and teddy bears everywhere, like one of the guys, Jeremiah Babe. If you get a chance, check out his channel. It's pretty good. He calls it like that, and he's been talking about this stuff now for several years, as I have been, and people just laugh. They were drinking the booming economy Kool-Aid. And right now, obviously, everything is blamed on COVID, which is used 24/7 as scapegoat, and it's going to continue to be used as scapegoat. We will see. We are already seeing uptick in economy. The numbers, retail sales, everything is going to start going up. People are tired of being depressed, locked up. They're going out. Stimulus checks are coming in. You're going to see this summertime. Then the reality will settle in. You have, let's say, September, October coming in, maybe some allergies, people start sneezing, for fall season, start panicking, asking for government's help. Here we go, back to lockdowns, because once you ask for government's help, they will give it to you, and they will give it to you hard. Then we have what? Wintertime coming. People will get sick. Obviously, last year, we all know flu disappeared. That's a fact. It just disappeared. Nobody had a flu. Whoever got sick, whoever got sniffles, whoever had an allergy attack in October, it was all COVID. We know this. How much of this is true, what it is, you all can do your own. I don't even think you need to do your own due diligence. Everybody understands what's going on here. So this is why you have to continue preparing. This is not doom and gloom. This is not to scare you. This is to prepare you. I continue looking into taking profits every chance I get, getting more livestock, my own setup here to be self-sufficient, buying gold, silver, ammo, whatever, art if you can, Cuban cigars. It can be cheap wine that you can store. These are, the things that will always be valuable. And when there is shortages in, supply, demand, all this stuff, when it happens like we already had back in April, obviously it's very possible. I've been warning about this. I did not talk about COVID before it happened. I said we are in for a rude awakening. This is not looking good. Obviously, you can't predict. It will be a pandemic, scandemic, however you want to call it. But more and more problems are coming. We were in a sick economy way before COVID, and all of this is now, like I said, used as a scapegoat, and more problems are coming. So don't be complacent, continue preparing. I'm not, even though it sounds like it, I'm not telling you what to do, I'm telling you what I'm doing and why. My stock market picks right now, I posted it on Twitter. Hopefully you guys are following me at the new America 77. I have Exxon. I'm long Exxon, Smith and Wesson. Price target for Smith and Wesson about $22 in the short term. Right now is about 18 and a half. So nice little jump I'm expecting for the next maybe 2 to 3 months in that range. It could happen a lot sooner. If it does, you will know that I'm out, and I will also post it on Twitter exactly when I'm exiting my positions. Another one is Euro Seas, ESEA. I will write all these down below. Euroseas Ltd. I'm looking $4 to possibly $5 move in the very short term here. Now, this is not because I'm European, so I'm picking this stock. No, I have. It has nothing to do with that. What it has to do with a lot of research, and then you come up with one of these moves that I believe I have to make in order to make some currency, use some of those profits, and get some real money with. So those are my plays. The big one is this Euro one, Euroseas Ltd. Again, I will write it down below. Next one is Exxon. I have a long in Exxon, Smith and Wesson, and I did enter. I dollar cost average Gatos Silver. The stock name is GATO. It got down to like $9.30 or so. I bought it over 10, so I was able to dollar cost average to about 960. I think that's a pretty good price. If it drops more, I'm going to do one more dollar cost average, and if it continues to drop, obviously this could be some problem because this miner is in a hostile territory, but a very solid management team, and they got zinc, they got silver, they got even gold. This is one of those that is a gamble, but everything is a gamble. Look what Canada is doing. Look what United States is doing. Every country is almost turning into China nowadays. So it's all risk, whatever you do. But this particular mine, this particular location in Mexico, where there is a lot of issues, could be definitely something a little higher on the radar. So this might be the reason. Something maybe happened that we don't know yet, why it's selling off 10, 15, 9% in the last few days. So I would keep my eye on Gato. Again, I'm repeating, this is the one possibly long term. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. Exxon is a very solid one. I think this one is a no-brainer, but again, you do your own due diligence. Don't cry to me if we have a big market sell-off and you lose your money. Pay attention to what's going on, read, research, and then make your moves, or don't make any moves and wait. Patience and well-timed aggression is key here. So this is why I waited. I waited to enter. Notice I didn't, if anybody's following me on Twitter, I did not talk too much about entering too many different stocks, different areas, different sectors, because I didn't see too many opportunities. And I'm a little bit overweight in a lot of these miners. So I've been kind of cautious and waiting, and now I have these plays. So once again, you can read them all in the description box down below. Press that like button and share these videos if you find them informative. Hopefully you do. Take care, and we will talk soon.